And as you can see, it like nothing wants to come off. It's on there pretty good. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Vic Drives. Is that what I think it is? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, it is. All right. So, this is not for this video. This is probably for the next one, or maybe the one after that. But, exciting things ahead for our favorite little car over here. So this video, and I should probably preface this by saying if my voice sounds a little weird, it's because I was at a wedding all of this past weekend, and we did a lot of screaming and just a lot of everything, and I'm exhausted, and I just didn't want to miss an upload. So this is going to be a really quick video, but hopefully something somewhat interesting, a little bit of a scientific experiment, if you will. So this is the Civic that we did like our first review on all that time ago. As you can see, this thing is absolutely filthy. After we got the vet, we pretty much had to park this thing outside, and suffice to say, a spring kind of had its way with it. And as you can see, it like nothing wants to come off. It's on there pretty good. So what we're gonna try to do is get this off without touching it. Now you might be asking yourself, my God, the sky looks fantastic. On camera, at least. I don't know how it looks, you know, in post or like in real life. Well, I mean, I guess it looks fine in real life. But you might be asking yourself, how am I going to clean the car without touching it? And the answer to that question is somewhere in there. It's one of those boxes that I never unpacked weeks ago. So let me go get it. Okay, and here it is. So this, I'm probably not going to be able to show it to you here, but this is a Scuttles, it's the name of the company, foam cannon set. And basically they gave me a foam cannon, a pressure washing gun, a couple attachments for the pressure washer, different angled things, and a sponge that I'm never going to use, and a couple microfiber towels. But basically the idea is to see if this foam cannon can get all this junk off the car without me having to touch the car. Tall order to ask of a $20 foam cannon off of Amazon, but worth a shot, right? I know, gasp, Vic, you're not supposed to use the top of your car for stuff. Yeah, but, you know, it's got like a layer of pollen protecting it. So, quick little unboxing. So the first thing we have here is obviously the microfiber towels, and then we have an extra gun to put into, or to use with the pressure washer. I'll show you guys how this works in a second. So that's good to have. It's a little shorter, easier for rinsing stuff, not as bulky, so you can make your way around the car a lot easier. And then we have all of our attachments here. I don't remember the exact angles. They're probably written on them. So we can pop those out real quick. So I know this one is the 40-degree nozzle. And when I'm talking about nozzles, I'm talking about the angle of the water shooting out of this jet right here. So this was 40. This one right here is 15. This one is, I believe, the 0 because there is literally nothing there. And then this one is 25, and maybe I was wrong. This one is 0. So I'm not sure what this black one is, but we will figure that out shortly. And then they give you an extra fitting so that you can basically adapt this or your hose for easy fitment to the gun. And then we have our last item, the thing you're all here for, our foam cannon and a little straw. All right, so this is the foam cannon. You pretty much want to fill this up to about the first tick with your soap. I guess depending on the soap that you have, most soaps will tell you, you know, what quantity to use, and then how much water to use and what ratios and all of that. And then you pretty much have your nozzle and the little straw that will do the suction-y business for you. So you pop that on there, just like that. Hopefully that's good. And then you pretty much just do that, and it should just screw right on, just like that. And now we have a couple of adjustments here. We'll have a left and right, so like a minus and a plus for water flow. And then you'll also have a bunch of birds screaming from overhead. An adjustment here for how wide your, I guess, fire is. So this is basically more soap, less soap, and then, you know, you get the point. So let me go get some soap, hook up the pressure washer, and we'll just give this a go. So all we do is we unscrew this little piece right down here. Should just pop off. There it is, and apparently there's still water in there from when I washed my other car. Okay, so now that we have the old gun screwed off, we literally just screw this one on. Nice and easy. And that's that. So should just be able to use it as you would any other pressure washing gun, and now you don't have all the extra bulk that you get with these things. And would you look at that? Is it perfect? No, I mean, there's definitely still a bunch of contaminants in there, but those are not even coming off from my finger, so that will require much more deep wash. But for the most part, it got just about everything I could have asked for. Obviously, I haven't dried the car yet, because if I did, then I probably would have picked up a bunch of junk and stuff. But honestly, for $20, not terrible. This is water. There might be a little bit of dirt in there as well. But yeah, overall, extremely satisfied customer. For $20, it definitely did some work. But there you have it, you guys. The Scuttles foam cannon set. That gun is a game changer. So even if you don't need the foam cannon, the gun is definitely a nice addition to have. And those extra additions, the 15-degree tip, probably, so you'll have different pressures depending on which tip you use. The 15-degree one is a lot more direct, so a little bit higher pressure. If you want more flow or less flow for different applications, you can definitely mess around and, you know, use what you need. So it's very nice to have that for flexibility reasons. But in terms of actual performance, I think it did a great job given how dirty the car was initially. But I would probably say that if you're trying to use this on your own car, it's more for maintenance washes than it is for full-on car washes, like post-winter cleanups. You're definitely going to want to do a 2-bucket method for the dirtier washes, but the in-between ones, this is a totally fair and easy way to get it done in like 5-10 minutes. Even with filming, this took me all of like 25 minutes. Definitely very satisfied with my purchase. I will probably go ahead and give this another once over with an actual wash mitt and whatnot. But if you happen to just get a new pressure washer and you are looking for a cheap foam cannon that does the job, this is definitely the one for you. So if you're interested in buying this foam cannon, I will definitely go ahead and put the link to it down in the description below, so you can go check it out. I don't make any money off of that link. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just that I happened to purchase this and I thought it would be fun to do a little review on it. So I did, and these were the results, and you saw them at the same time that I saw them. So yeah, I guess that's all there is to that. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, then definitely be sure to drop it a like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.